How's she feel at the gas station there?
Do what now?
How'd she feel on the way to the gas station?
Hashtag cool.
Hashtag.
I feel pretty good. I mean, it's no vibrations. Everything seems to. We definitely got to get the handlebars fixed.
Yeah, we'll put some bushings in the handlebars. That's
I'm high. I can't put any pressure on them to lean in or anything.
right. We just got the tag zip tied on there, so that's not a permanent thing. How's your blue machine there, Hoss?
Very bad. Not good. Stuff's falling off.
Dude, this thing will haul.
Yeah, she's a little quick. She's a little quick. I was trying to get on it a little faster than I wanted to, but I missed second.
Ooh, hey.
Yeah, I might have got you.
I'm fucking now. Thank you, sir.
That's all right. It's not gonna hurt none.
I believe I did.
You what?
I think I got set too full.
Leak out a little bit. Oh man, that is
To the brim.
to the brim. I can go from. I can ride this baby for miles.
Pioneers used to ride these babies for miles.
All right.
Good what?
So what you feeling so far? That's how many miles was that from the house?
283, I
That's
believe.
right.
No, probably about, what do y'all think, 15 miles maybe?
Something like that.
If it'll make it 15, it'll make it 1,500.
Yeah, it's tight. Everything feels good. Of course, we'll get it back. And we just pulled over to check, make sure wasn't no wheel bearings getting hot. Everything's all right. These handlebars, we definitely got to do something about that.
Yeah, I talked about that earlier, but we got some red bushings at the shop that might go in there.
The seat, it's okay.
Gotcha. Yeah, you're used to that. You're used to your big bike being all comfortable.
But no, all in all, I'm happy.
It looks good.
$19% APR, no indoor financing.
There it is,
There
man.
she is, people. That's last Sunday. It was pretty. We actually just took off. We were just gonna run up a road about 5-10 miles, and it was doing so good. I think we ended up riding about 40-50 miles.
Yeah, it
Sunday,
was.
and it did perfect. No issues whatsoever. Flawless. But pretty much everything is, like I said, everything is stuff we had here. It's all basically stock Sportster stuff. If we had anything stock that we could make work, that's what we did. And it's a pretty cool bike. We had a good time riding it Saturday.
Yeah.
Or Sunday. I was pretty comfortable on it. Don't get me wrong, it's a hardtail. You know, it's a hardtail, but you know, I could have probably rode another 50 or 60 miles on it. I could have run a whole tank of gas out before I got tired and had to get off of it. I mean, it's just an old bike. There's nothing. We're not sitting here saying this is a cool, special, one-off deal. It's just an old hardtail chopper that we built. I think that's it. We, as always, thank OK Recycling for what they do for us. Check them out. Renegade Tees for all our merch. Check out our buddies down at Prism Supply for any choppers parts. Check those guys out, and I don't know, y'all just keep getting it, and we'll keep getting it.